When you're on the go, it can be hard to find a delicious cup of coffee, so we're gonna try this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's by Colcafe. Colcafe, and they actually make a bunch of different flavors here. As you might be able to see, I picked these up because I love instant coffee. You just don't have time to make coffee. Sometimes you're in the office, sometimes you're on the road. Maybe you can find some steaming hot water like this, but you can't find a coffee place. One, I don't drink a lot of coffee from coffee places. Two, it's too expensive for me. And three, I just don't have the time. So I picked these up here, 4 different flavors. So they make a lot here. What you can see here is this is Colcafe Cappuccino, Vanilla, Cappuccino Caramel, and then this one is interesting to me. It's just a 3-in-1, coffee, creamer, and sugar, which I could see myself having on a regular basis, and then the classic cappuccino. Now, I want to give Colcafe as much of a fighting chance as possible, so I'm going to go with what I think is probably their most delicious one, and this is the Colcafe Cappuccino Caramel, because I think this should be pretty decadent. And I will say these packages are pretty large here, so they give me kind of confidence that I'm going to make a pretty rich cup of coffee. Now, I will say on the back here, it says to add it to 150 milliliters of hot water. Alexa, how many ounces is 150 milliliters?
150 milliliters is about 5.1 fluid ounces.
So that's only about 5.1 fluid ounces. I knew that off the top of my head. So it's not a lot of coffee. I think you would kind of equate that to like a juice cup, something like that. So it's probably going to be about this tall, this big around. And cappuccinos are usually not huge, so you probably use cappuccino cups. Now, I would not normally make it in a clear glass like this, but I wanted to show you what happens here. So let's start brewing like a coffee aficionado. Powder in the cup, step 1. And that's what it looks like. Kind of looks like salt and pepper, but... And now I have steaming hot water. Not sure if you can see the steam coming off there, but I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball 5 ounces. Like I said, it's not a lot, and I think that might be a little more than 5 ounces, but I get to see how it handles a little extra water. Oh my gosh, I tell you what. Wow, that smells awesome, and it looks like cappuccino. And even though I was just stirring it with a spoon, I do have a little bit of that cappuccino froth on the top there, so... definitely promising. It smells like cappuccino. Maybe there's just a hint of caramel on it. Oh, wow. That is pretty tasty. I tell you what, it doesn't have that coffee flavor. It actually has a fairly strong, dark roast coffee flavor underneath it, but it is so smooth. It tastes so milky. I tell you what, I have friends that say they like coffee, and then they add basically a little coffee, a lot of sugar, a lot of creamer, and then they melt down 3 Snickers bars into it, and something like this is kind of that in powdered form. Now, you might not need a lot of coffee to get going, so 5-6 ounces of coffee might be all you need. I would say this is not a huge coffee for me, but the way you can make more is to just open up additional packets. Man, that is pretty good, smooth, and still has a lot of flavor, which is really a tall order for instant coffee. So I'm pretty excited about trying the classic, the vanilla, and the all dressed up coffee. 3-in-1, coffee, creamer, and sugar. I'm hoping that these will be pretty good too, but if you are in a rush, you want to have some of these in your desk, you want to have some of these in your backpack, your travel bag, whatever, so that you can get your coffee fixed, but not just coffee, dressed up coffee, delicious coffee, gourmet coffee. I think this is the way to go. Colcafe wasn't expensive either. If you want to make the start to your mornings just a little bit better, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
It'd be hard to find a delicious cup of coffee, so we're gonna try. Oh.